Joints nutrition. By lifting of heavy loads and in general by more demanding sports, your joints are more strained than by humans who don't practice any sport. For this reason, it is clever to look also at this section. Important is to take it mainly as the prevention and not in the way that your joints will be seriously damaged, and only after that you will decide to buy some trifle against pain. Joints nutrition can help you also by problems in their beginnings, but if you will consume it even before these problems, it will be much more clever. So what kind of joints nutrition is best to consume? Nowadays there are so many supplements with joint nutrition. All of them have similar composition, even though very cheap product can be faked. Joint supplements contain mainly glucosamine and chondroitin in greater or less amounts. These are the most important substances of all joint supplements. They occur naturally in crystals, and therefore their consumption is suitable mainly by problems with joints. There is a question if it's better to buy glucosamine or chondroitin individually or as the part of supplement. According to some researches, these two substances really help by pain of joints, but some researches also confirm that effects are most visible only by moderate and heavy pains of joints, and improvement of the condition is seen only by long-term consumption, usually several months. But the best solution will be to try it on yourself. For better results, combine both supplements. This combination can be found also in the complex joints nutrition, which except glutamine or chondroitin includes also the line of other substances which are helpful by pains and regeneration of joints. One of these substances is, for example, MSM, methyl sulfonyl methane. This substance or compound helps by pains and inflammations of joints, and it is very important part of high quality joint supplements. These complex joint supplements include also other substances such as vitamins, minerals, hyaluronic acid, which improves greasing of joints and also their mobility. For this reason, I recommend the purchase of complex joint supplement rather than to buy glucosamine or chondroitin individually. If you will want to buy joint supplements, take a look whether it contains glucosamine sulfate or glucosamine chloride, or what is the ratio of these substances. It was shown that glucosamine has better results than glucosamine chloride, so pay attention to this by selection of the right joint supplements. If I can mention concrete supplement, great effect had on me the product Animal Flex from the company Universal. It is already confirmed, so if you don't want to waste your time by looking for anything new, you will make good thing by the purchase of this product. Dosing of Animal Flex. Recommended dose is 1 package a day, which should be consumed together with food. Meal replacements. If we would mix together high quality whey protein, or rather multi-component protein with complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, minerals and vitamins, we will get the food supplement substation. substitution. I'm sorry. Food substitutions are a great way, mainly for busy people, how to get in short time all necessary nutrients which their body needs. However, some of them are not very tasteful, so you should expect that the quality of taste will be comparable to Gainer, which I don't recommend to buy because it's some kind of overpriced sugar. The disadvantage of these supplements is that it is still only the powder which is produced artificially, which means that even the supplement with the highest quality won't be comparable to real fresh food, but the high quality supplement in the form of food substitution can be considered surely as one of the most useful nutrition supplements. They differ with the quality of nutrients presence, which means that it can easily happen that it will contain, instead of complex carbohydrates, only simple ones, and so on. So it's necessary always to check the composition of the label. Don't try to substitute your normal food with this supplement continuously, and consume it only when you don't have enough time to prepare your food. Such supplements should contain sources of carbohydrates from tomatoes, oat flakes, fruit or brown rice, and in no way it should contain only maltodextrin. Some food substitutions don't have many calories and are not suitable if you want to gain the muscle mass. For this reason, you should choose high-calorie ones, minimally 300 calories in one dose, which contain more healthy fats and also proteins. You can also try to prepare your own food substitution. Just blend half of cottage cheese, half dose of whey protein, peanut butter, strawberries, cooked oat flakes in order to be soft, multivitamins, and the food substitution is prepared. Dosing. As it is the food substitution, you can substitute, let's say, 2 meals, but never substitute all meals. If you would do that and your food substitution has 300 calories in one dose, then you should consume together 3000 calories. It means 10 doses. However, you will quickly calculate that to eat normal food is not only more economic but also more natural to your body.